Hi, how are you? Today we're cooking tuna. And next to the tuna, look at the mushrooms.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, so smelly. And then, wow. And then for cooking purposes, we have eggs. We have Havarti cheese. And we're going to get to it. We're going to start cooking. We have the grill over here. The grill, George Foreman. So we're going to show you quick way to make tuna. So tuna, you cannot do tuna without soy sauce. So you're going to do soy sauce. This is a must. If you put anything on tuna, it has to be soy sauce. And then salt. We have Himalayan salt. See? So we're going to put salt like this. Salt, Himalayan salt. And we got too much. Okay. So then we have lemon pepper seasoning. Like this. And tuna cooks very fast. Like 3 minutes each side is done. We have Old Bay seasoning. We're going to put on it. Oh, wow. So nice. So then you're going to rub this soy sauce in. And all these seasonings. And you want to dip it in there again. Like that. Like that. So soy sauce one more time on the other side. This is very important. Soy sauce. I'm saying, please believe me. We seafood people. You want soy sauce on your tuna. Next time you put salt in, you can do a little less. Because you got the other side already salted. So you do this, yes. Then we do Old Bay chick one more time. Like this. A little bit. This is not a must. Soy sauce is a must for tuna. For me. Then we do lemon pepper. Very nice. Now we have mushrooms. Wow. Mushrooms. So Old Bay goes on there again on the mushrooms. Then my favorite is lemon pepper seasoning. I love this season. Now we're gonna do mushrooms with olives. See, olives. These are mushrooms. You can put olives right inside. Oh man, this is flavor gonna be crazy. So now, check this out. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this tuna on the grill. Boom. See, and grill always hot. When you put food on the grill, it has to always be hot. But we're not done. I'm gonna show you one more little trick. So with mushrooms, we're putting mushrooms on here. But this is the trick with egg. We have an egg. Boom. Look. In the mushroom. See? You can control where it flows. You can always control what you want. And the next one. Next mushroom. Boom. Wow. Wow, this is incredible. It looks amazing to me. Then we're going to put one more in this one, this big one. Wow. And then we have cheese. We're going to put cheese on top of the mushroom. But right now, tuna, mushrooms. This is huge portobello mushrooms from Trader Joe's. Excellent store. Tuna from Kroger. Tuna steaks. And we like it. And we do not use oil. We have coconut water. We're going to pour it not on the food. We're going to cook around it so it doesn't burn. Coconut water. If you know, a long time ago they used to give IV with this water. Straight into people's blood. This is very clean. Very clean stuff. People used to get IV from these things. And that's it. We're going to close. Tuna, you cook 3 minutes. Mushrooms, you need a little more. Cook tuna 3 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other side. Mushrooms, you want to cook about at least 15 minutes, guys. At least. Especially these big ones, you need about 20, I would say. Just me, this is how I do things. I like my mushrooms cooked. And after, I'm going to put cheese on the mushrooms. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to grab cheese on the mushroom. Boom. On the mushroom. Boom. This is amazing cheese. This is not regular cheese. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you. And I hope you guys love my videos, check out other videos, and eat very good all the time. And work hard. You know, we work hard for this food. May God bless you and bless every family. Thank you so much. God bless George Foreman Grill. Thank you. Peace and be blessed.